Why is Warcraft 2 a legendary strategy game? Released in 1995, it set the standard for real-time strategy. With epic battles between the Horde and the Alliance, naval warfare, and massive armies, it was ahead of its time. Multiplayer mode revolutionized online gaming, and its map editor allowed fans to create their own battles. The game's soundtrack and voice lines became iconic, influencing future Blizzard titles. Its storytelling and world-building paved the way for Warcraft 3 and World of Warcraft, shaping an entire gaming universe. The game's fast-paced gameplay, resource management, and strategic depth kept players engaged for years. Even today, Warcraft 2 remains a classic that defined the RTS genre. Whether you played it back then or just discovered it, this game is a must-know for every strategy fan.